Guys, in this video you will learn how you can create a promotional image for a blog post from Switchboard Canvas automatically. So guys, here we have connected WordPress in the trigger and Switchboard Canvas and Google Sheets in the action modules. And here guys, as and when you are going to publish a new post in WordPress, a promotional image will be created for the same post using Switchboard Canvas, and the details of that image and the caption will be added here in Google Sheets automatically. Okay, so after that you can share that featured image or the caption on social media or any other platform. Okay, so to set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and we can set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let's start. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to set up and test your automations. Okay, so you can sign up right now. We have pasted the same link in the description as well. So you can sign up, and after that you have to sign in and reach the Pabbly Connect product, and you will reach this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up this automation. Okay, so here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as WordPress blogs promo images. Okay, automation. So after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And here are the trigger and action modules with the help of which we are going to set up this automation. Okay, so in the trigger, we are going to connect that application in which the trigger event is going to happen. That means that event which is going to start this workflow. So in our case, the WordPress would be the trigger application, and publishing of a blog will be the action event. Sorry, the trigger event, and the action towards this trigger, which is the response towards the trigger, would be to create an image in Switchboard Canvas, then save that image into Google Sheet. That will be the actions. Okay, so first of all, we are going to connect with WordPress here. So search for WordPress. Here it is selected. Okay, and the trigger event would be new post published. Okay, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with WordPress, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. So we need to follow these steps written here to make this connection with WordPress. Okay, so let me show you directly how you can make the connection. So this is my WordPress dashboard, guys. And here when you scroll down on the left hand side panel, you will find this settings option. Under settings, you can see we have this WP Webhooks plugin already installed here. So you can install this plugin from the plugin section, which is here. Okay, you can install this plugin which is called WP Webhooks, and after that activate it. So when you activate it, it will show up here in the settings. So from here, click on WP Webhooks. And here we have this send data tab. Click on it, and under send data, when you scroll down, you will find the post created option here. This is post created. Click here, and under post created section, you have to click on this add webhook URL button, and here you can give a suitable name to this connection. So I am giving the name here as promo images. Okay, and in this field you have to paste this webhook URL. So just click on copy from here and paste the URL here. Okay, then click on add for post create. So you can see a new webhook URL has been added here. Let me show you that. So when you scroll down here, you can see promo post image URL has been added here. So from here, click on these three dots, and from here click on settings, and under the settings you will find this trigger on selected post type option. So here you have to select the post on which you want to trigger the workflow. So from here I'm selecting post option, and here it is asking the status of the post. You have to select the status. So I want that whenever a post get published, then only the workflow should be triggered and the data should be sent. So I'm selecting published option here. After that, scroll down and click on save settings. Okay, so you can see the settings are saved here. Now you can cross this window, close this window. Okay, and here you can see guys, as I have copied this URL in my workflow, here it started showing waiting for the webhooks response. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means we are going to capture the data of a test post from WordPress to here. So I'm going to create a test post here in my WordPress. So here you will find the posts option. From here I am clicking on add new, and from this page we are going to create a new post. So here I am going to give a title to this post, then I'll write something about it, and here I am going to create a blog, and here I'll set a featured image also. So let me create a blog post. So guys, here I have written a small blog post. This is the title, Ernest Hemingway quotes, and this is a quote, and this is a simple information about this person. And here let me add a featured image as well. So here I am featuring this image in this blog post. Okay, and here I am going to click on publish to publish the blog, and here you can see it's still waiting for the webhooks response. Okay, so let us publish the blog here. Click on publish. So this is a test blog I have created just to set up this automation. Okay, and here you can see the blog is getting published, or a post. So you can see the post got published here. You can view it by clicking on view post. Okay, like this. And let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this blog or the post getting published or not. So here I'm going back to the workflow, and here you can see we got the data captured here like this. It is showing the title of the post as Ernest Hemingway course, and here you can see all other details of the blog or the post as well. Here it is showing the thumbnail or the picture of or the URL of the featured image. This is the permanent link of the blog. Okay, and all these things are captured here. Now guys, what I want to create a promotional image using Switchboard Canvas for this blog post. So guys, for that what we are going to do, first of all, you can see here in this response we have received the content of the blog as well. So here you can see in this post content label we got the text captured like this. Okay, but guys, here you can see in this text we have this P in double in this angle braces. Okay, so these are the HTML tags got added here inside this content. So I'm going to remove these HTML tags first. So for that to happen, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called text formatter. So in this actions tab, you can search for text formatter feature by Pabbly. Okay, just select it. And in the action event, select this text basic formatting option. Okay, then click on connect. And here it is asking from which string of characters you want to remove the HTML tags. So I want that from this post content, the tags should be removed. For that, I'm going to map the content label here. So just click here and it will show you the previous step in the drop down. And when you click on it, it will show you all the data here only like this. So from here, just map the content label. And here in this transform option, you will find this remove HTML tags option. So select remove HTML tags, then click on save and send test request. And here you can see in this result label, we got the text now without any HTML tags. Okay, right. Now guys, you can see here in my Switchboard Canvas application, here it is. Here I have I'm using this template actually to create promotional images. So let me show you all the templates. This is the name of my template, tweet-2. This is a template I am using, and here you can see, here we have 4 variables. One is an image, second is the title, then the text, then the date. So we are going to change all these 4 things according to the post that we have created inside WordPress, and then we are going to create a promotional image out of this template that we are using. So guys, here you can see we got the text covered here. We got the text from the post, but guys, we got the whole text at once. I just want to add some part of the text here, some part of the blog here as the caption on this image. I do not want to add the whole text. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to truncate this whole text into fewer words with the help of a feature of Pabbly Connect. For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step, search for text formatter again, text formatter. Okay, and in the action event you will find this truncate option. So you can read here, truncate shortens the given string and add ellipses at the end of the string. Okay, select this, then click on connect, and here it is asking which text you want to truncate. So I want to truncate this text into fewer words. So here I am going to map the labels. So from the last step, map the result label like this, and let's say that I want only 100 words to be added inside my promotional image. Okay, for that I'm going to put the length of the truncated words should be 100. Okay, and let's say that if you truncate this whole text into 100 words, it might not complete into a meaningful sentence. So in the end I want to add some dot ellipses. Okay, so for this we have this append ellipsis option. Select this option true. Okay, and here you can add in the last, like, to be continued, or read the full blog inside, read the full blog from the above link, or something like that. Or you just use the default feature. So the default feature will give you 3 dots in the end of this text that you are truncating. So I am selecting default 3 dots. So just click on save and send test request here, and here you can see now in this result label the whole text got truncated into 100 words, and here you can see the sentence here ends here like this: true nobility lies in being superior, and the 3 dots. Okay, so that's how you can truncate this. So guys, we got this text to be entered here, we got the thumbnails image to be entered here, and you can put your name here, the publisher's name of the blog here, and here we need to fill the date as well. So I do not think that we have a date. Let's see. Okay, so we have the post date in this format. So if you want to change the format of this date, you can change it, or you can just place the date as it is also. Okay, let me show you how you can change the format of the date. For that, you just have to click here on this plus icon, and another action step will open up, and here you can use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called date time formatter. So just select date time formatter, or what you can do, let me show you. Just select date time formatter. So here in the action events you will find this format date with time zone option. With this option you can change the format of the time zone that you have captured here in the trigger step. You can change the format of this date, or what you can do, you can use another option here. In this date time formatter we have one more option, which is current date option. So it is going to retrieve the current date in UTC. That means the date on which the workflow is going to trigger. Okay, so you can use this also. I am using current date option. Then click on connect, and here you can select the format of the date. So I want the date to be placed in MMDDYY, which is a normal format. Sorry, not DDMMYY. This is a normal format we use. So I'm selecting this. If you want to include time in the response, you can make it true, or you can make it false, as you want. Okay, so just click on save and send test request. This is the date. Now we can place the date as well. So we got all the data to which we can place on the image template in Switchboard Canvas. So just click here on this plus icon, and it is time to connect Switchboard Canvas here. So search for it. Here it is, select it, and in the action event select create image option, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Switchboard. So you will find the API key. Let me show you. You can read the instructions, and here just go to the template section, and under the template section here you can see we have this view your API key button or tab. Just click on it, and here is the key that we want. So just click on copy from here, paste the key here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Switchboard Canvas. Okay, so we are connected, and here it is asking for the template's name now. So these are the templates that I have created, and I'm using this one, name as tweet-2. So let's select this template's name from this list. Here it is selected. Okay, and here it is asking for the width and the height of the image that you want to create. So let me put the standard size 180 and 1920. Okay, and here it is asking for the date, the tweet, the handle, and the profile pic. These are the things that I have that I have here as the variables, okay, inside this template, which we can change. So to get the data change here, we need to map the values of these 4 fields here in this workflow, and I'm going to use the previous steps to map the data here. So for the date, just use the last step and map the date. For the tweet or the text, use this truncate step and use this result label. For the handle, you can just manually put your name. I'm putting my name here. Okay, you can put your name. In the profile pic, you can map the link of the featured image from the WordPress tab only. Here you can see the thumbnail image is here. Okay, now click on save and send test request, and a new image will be created from Switchboard Canvas. So guys, this is the response we have received, and here you can see we got a new image created like this in PNG format, and here you can see we got the URL of this image. I can show you that actually. Let me open it in a new tab, and here you can see guys, we got a new image created like this. Here in place of the image, we got the image that we want to add. Here we've got the name placed, and here we got the text placed. There is nothing noble in being superior to your fellow man, and here is the date as well. So these are the same things that I have mapped here guys, you can see, and the same things got placed in a new image. That's how you can use Switchboard Canvas. Now guys, I want to add the details of the post link and the image here inside my Google Sheet. Here you can see I want to add this data here, the WordPress post link, the publishing date, the caption, and the featured image that we have created with the help of Switchboard Canvas. So for that to happen, just click here on this plus icon, and from this another action step, search for Google Sheets. Okay, here it is selected, and the action event, select add new row option, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets. And from here you have to select that Google account by which you have created that sheet. Okay, and here you have to provide some additional access. Just click on continue, that is completely safe, and you can see the authorization is successful here, and we are getting connected with Google Sheets. So we are now connected, and here it is asking for the spreadsheet's name. So my spreadsheet's name is this blog post data. So you have to select it from this list. Here it is selected, and we have only one sheet here named as sheet 1, so it will be automatically selected here like this. Okay, and here you can see now the WordPress post link, publishing date, caption, image. These are the headers of the columns that we have. So to get this data filled here, we need to map the values of these headers inside the workflow. So just click here, and for the post link, use the trigger step. It will give you the post's permanent link. When you scroll down here, here it is, map it. For the publishing date, I'm going to use the trigger step only. This is the post date. For the caption, I'm going to use the truncator step, in which we have truncated the text. And for the featured image, I'm going to use Switchboard Canvas step, and here we got the image created like this. Now you can check your connection with the spreadsheet by clicking on save and send test request, and a new row will be added inside your spreadsheet. So I'm clicking here. Let's see what happens. So this is the response we have received. Let us check in our spreadsheet, and here you can see we got a new row added here like this. So from here only, guys, you can see the post, you can see the featured image, and you can forward the data into any other application as well. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up the automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, as and when you are going to publish any new blog post from your WordPress, this workflow is going to run in the background, and you will find a new featured promotional image created here inside your spreadsheet automatically. Yes, guys, and if you want to use the workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste this same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.